G'day. Just wanted to show you something. In here, in one of the old horse stables up the back of my place, you got a lot of birds nesting in here. There's some nesting material up there. Earlier on this season, at the top of this old ladder, we have a dove's nest. It's a spotted turtle dove's nest. It's empty now, but it has successfully been used. You can see there's no one home now, but I was just looking over this direction a little earlier and I found somebody home. On the top of this wall there's another nest that's been built, and sitting on the nest is another little dove. I'm trying to be quiet and not disturb her, because when I came in earlier her mate was there, possibly feeding her, and then he went into this big display to try and lead me away, acting as if he was wounded. I hope he wasn't wounded. But anyway, I think it's either a peaceful dove or a spotted turtle dove, of which there's always quite a few around here. Beautiful little bird. But anyway, he or she is sitting on the nest up there. And they can breed a couple of times a season. She's well aware that I'm here, but not leaving those eggs for love nor money or seeds. But there she is. I'll keep my eye on that nest and see when the eggs hatch. Anyway, that's a little dove nesting in the old horse stable here, up on top of the wall. So I don't know why they haven't used that nest again. It might be a little too exposed, whereas this one up here is better hidden. I hope they don't abandon it now that they know that I know that they're there, but I don't think that will happen. I'll keep my eye out for her mate as well. You can hear that really wagtail outside making a lot of noise. Anyway, Aussie birds rock, one on the nest. Beautiful. I hope that comes out alright and you can see her tail clear enough now. She's turned her head away. Good on you, Mum. See ya.